Hello, welcome to Livy Toys. There are just 7 days until Christmas, which means we're opening up number 18. It's the 18th of December. It's got a gingerbread man on it, but inside there's not a gingerbread man. Oh, okay, so it's some sort of, it's a little soldier. It's a little toy soldiery thing. Or a nutcracker. Maybe it's a nut, no, it's got, or maybe, I don't know. Oh gosh. Right, let's build it and then I'll argue with myself about whether it's a nutcracker or a toy soldier. Oh my goodness me. This is not a good start, is it? Okay. Alright, so we're putting a whole heap of these. I love this colour blue. This is like the Mia colour blue. And putting a little white bit on there. And then we've got these 2 red pieces with holes in them to put the Blue Technique plugs. Because this is where his little arms are going to go. His little armies. He doesn't have any leggies, that's what the blue things are. So he's all kind of round on the top, but his arms do swing, which is cute, very, very cute. And now he's got one little yellow bit, one little yellow round bit. He's very round. He's round all the way around. Yeah. Okay, and this is his little hat on the top, which is also his hanger. We got a spare little Blue Technique plug, and when I actually shake him, his arms don't swing. They're not quite loose enough. All right, he's very cute, though kind of blocky, which is, it's Lego, so it is blocks. Do you want to have an argument with me, or do you want to just comment and let me know, is this supposed to be a nutcracker, or is it supposed to be a toy soldier? Because I don't know. I really don't know. Okay, and we're done, which means I'll have to see you tomorrow, but I'll read your comments and I will see what you think. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.